Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that y over x, they are degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we have v. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one gone here. Y we change by vs. This one we have v. This one we have v. V and v we simplify. Cosecant of v I will put on the left, ds and s we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. This one we have sine v. The integration of this one we have negative cosine v. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.